which has as acronym Ccima, organized the fourth ordinary session of its plenary assembly this December 14, 2023 at Hotel Cocotier Platinum, Bononjo. This event was accompanied by an exhibition of made-in-Cameroon products. The president of the Chamber of Commerce gave a summary of the expenses of the year 2023. In line with the new organizational model for our meetings, we have our traditional activities, the foundation, the activity reports, the budget program, and diversify the representations. This is also an opportunity to congratulate our team. Your work is appreciated by the Secretary General of the Chamber of Commerce and his collaborators. The conduct of the activities for this conference, which is in principle, the agenda before the consular election is scheduled for the year 2024. He evoked the different economic missions which were received in Cameroon, notably the Argentine mission, the Moroccan mission, and many other meetings. An assembly which ends with good impressions, the Cameroon Chamber of Commerce, Ccima, marks an end of the year 2023. Bibande Mulango, Hotel Cocotier Platinum, Douala Bononjo, Cameroon, IBA Channel.